Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janu, and today I'm doing a minimalist makeup routine. Now, as you can see, I definitely have a bit of dark spots on my face, so I like to go ahead and cover that with concealer. I've been struggling with my skin a lot lately. I want to focus on keeping control of the acne first and then move to dark spots. I feel like I try to tackle too many concerns at once, but I think that focusing on one at a time has been working best. So right now I'm just focused on clearing up the acne, which it has cleared up. There's definitely a lot of hyperpigmentation left over, so I just cover that and then I blend that in with a sponge. Now this sponge, yes, is made out of plastic, but I've had it for years and I'm going to continue to use it until I no longer need it and then find a better alternative. So I'm just going to go ahead with some Bare Minerals foundation and apply that over my skin. And the good thing about this foundation is that you can easily layer it. You can go full coverage or lighter coverage. I'm going to do more of a medium coverage today. And then I like to put concealer up under my eyes. Now I'm going to let it actually sit on my face for a little bit because I find that it actually works a lot better that way. I feel like it's better to do it that way because the concealer just works a little bit better if you leave it on your face. And now I'm going to go ahead with a brow pencil from PYT. This is made out of recycled plastic, which still obviously isn't the best, but it's better than virgin plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. As you can see, they need to be filled in a little bit and they're not perfect, but what I like to do is go in with concealer to make them a little bit better after I fill them in a little bit. So now I'm going to take some concealer with a flat brush, and this is just a way to make your brows even better, and it's also great if you haven't got your brows waxed in a while. It can help cover up those hairs. It's just a great way to make your eyebrows look a little bit cleaner and more defined. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all of the concealer as well as the concealer on my eyebrows and just blend that out around my face. I'm going to go with some Pacifica Beauty setting powder and put that all over my face. Pacifica Beauty does have a recycling program, although I do want to try Olay Cosmetics setting powder, which comes in a bamboo container, and I think there might be a little bit of plastic in it, but it's definitely a lot less plastic. It's definitely hard to find makeup that fits my skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is from Olay Cosmetics, and all these products will be in the description box below for you guys to check out. But I usually like to do just one eyeshadow. This is also just a great way to set your lids because usually if I don't put some sort of eyeshadow on my lids after putting foundation and everything on, they get kind of creasy. So this is just a good way to prevent creases from happening. And I usually just go with one color and keep it simple. This has been my go-to color for a while. I think it just matches my skin color really nicely. And then I'm going to go in with some blush from Honest Beauty and dab that on my face and blend that out. And now I'm going to go in with this highlighter from Alma Pure and I put that on my nose as well as my cheeks. And now I'm going to be applying mascara. Now this mascara comes in a refillable container and apparently it uses a lot less plastic than typical mascaras, but I actually really do like how it applies. I feel like it makes my lashes look very, very long. and I was definitely really surprised by that. Alright, so now I'm going to just take a little bit of that highlighter and go in the creases of my eyes. It just adds a little bit of kind of pop to your face. And I'm going to use this lipstick lip gloss combo from PYT, and it's a really pretty brown color. It can be hard to find lipstick that comes in sustainable packaging that looks good on darker skin tone, so I'm definitely still trying to find one that doesn't come in plastic at all, but I do like this one that I'm using right here. And this is the final look. I love how it turned out. It's one of my go-to looks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.